Okay, maing buntag mga ka-idol. Di ata karon sa Basalim no. Is kanang kalsada going na og Pagadian. So katong sa Pikas gani is para buog to. Basalim National Elementary School or High School. So dire nga portion mga ka-idol. Taon-taon na tangwa ka are dire no. Sa una ngumpra pa kog baboy sulod ko dire. Di pa ni simentado. So sa taga dire, shout out na lang mga ka-idol. Ug daghan salamat no sa inyong suporta. So kini nga video is tuyok lang ta no. Largo ta sa babaw pero ta kay balo og asa na dapit. Pero nakoy na hinabi ganiya is purok 5 daw. Pero di ta suwito dire. So daghan kay nga nakailan nato mga ka-idol. So have a nice day mga ka-idol. Tara, let's go.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.
Amo to eh. Alang, amo. Le, sakay. Libre sakay, way bayad. Dili, suroy-suroy lang ko. Le, sakay lang. Haron dili kuan kay luwi kay bata. Di ka mo eskwelahan. Unsa ngalan ni diri lang?
Basalim.
Sige, sakay. Libre ni, way bayad.
New friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay. So daanan mo pa sa taman. Selamat kayo, selamat. Bos, may buntag dia. Ulas ko to ibabaw kay kabidyo-bidyo ra ko. Selamat kayo, selamat. Sige.
There's payback, you better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
So datag Basalim mga ka-idol no, purok 5 Basalim mga ka-idol. So layo day mga ka-idol oh. Sulo lang daw mga ka-idol, ngawang palibot mga ka-idol. Dasang na sa bang oh. So dire tama na tong video. Salamat kay mga ka-idol sa inyong suporta.